Boom, so there you have it for So we're going to assemble the stand first and then assemble the bender onto the stand.
I'm anxious to see what all we can do with this thing. It's almost like there's nothing we can't do with it.
Nothing. We can bend square tubing with it. So we got our JD Squared Model 32 tubing bender put together a few days ago. However, we hadn't ordered the pump and we hadn't ordered the hydraulic cylinder. So we got it ordered up the same night we put this thing together. Didn't really know what we were gonna do, so we did a little bit more research on YouTube. We're gonna add somebody's video in here too. Check that out. Anyways, we ordered the stuff they said to order. We got it here, a Harbor Freight pump, an Amazon cylinder. We're gonna open it up and get it put back together. Jim, you got a knife? Looks like Christmas, a box in a box. So we ordered us up a 10-ton threaded cap, 14-inch stroke hydraulic cylinder. So we're gonna have to make a quick run to town to the hydraulic shop. We were gonna use a hydraulic hose out of our Porta Power, but it's like really stuck in there and we ended up stripping it out. As you can see, it sucks. Anyways, quick audible, we're gonna take these two fittings into the hydraulic shop, get a line made, and we'll be right back. So we made a mistake. We decided we were gonna be cheap and try to source our own hose and fittings locally, when what we should have done was purchase the hose that came with the cylinder that would have bolted directly up to the hydraulic pump that we have. We didn't do that, and we did save money, but it took us a tremendous amount of time and a few days to source all the parts, fuel, days lost. Anyways, here we are a few days later, finally about to get this thing back together. All we have to do now is install some hose, install some fittings, put some air to it, and test it out. So there you have it, folks. Our very first bend in our new Trick Tools and JD Squared Model 32 tubing benders. It's the first time we've really ever bent anything, and definitely the first time we've ever bent anything with this machine. We were getting ready and prepped up to start building our own custom tube frames for our Power Wheels builds. Don't stay anything. Just stay with us. We'll be right back after these comments from line.